Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are watching this. We are going to continue with Unit 6, Lesson 6, solving equations with squares, with exponents. All right, let's get into this. First thing we want to do is split that equation right down the center. Well, not really down the center, but down the equal sign. And we're trying to get this variable exponent by itself. So first thing you want to do is get rid of this plus 3. Remember, we're working with the opposite order of operations. So we want to start with addition and subtraction. Okay, here is some subtraction. Opposite of subtract is add. And so we have plus 3. We end up getting rid of those. We're left with 2x squared equals 8. Next step, since we did our addition and subtraction, we can get rid of our multiplication or division. We have multiplication here. Divide by 2. Opposite of multiplication, we're left with x squared equals 8 divided by 2, which is 4. Okay. And our last step is to get rid of our exponents here. Well, opposite of a square is a square root. X squared is just x. The square root of x squared is x. And that equals the square root of 4. And the square root of 4 is 2. But don't forget, we need plus or minus. 2 times 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. Same thing with negative 2. Let's try another one. First step here, splitting that equation. Well, let's get rid of the plus 3, so we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. 75 minus 3 is 72. 3 minus 3 is 0. We just erase those from the equation. Can't do our squaring yet because we have 2 times x squared, so let's divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so we're left with x squared equals 72 divided by 2. If you don't know, you can always pop it over here. It's not one that we do very frequently. We do 3, which is 6. It's always good to do these again. Remember how to do long division. 2 can go into 12 6 times. Ooh, that's nice because that's a perfect square, right? So we're going to divide this. Not divide this. We're going to take the square root of both sides now. We're left with x equals, the square root of 36 is 6, but again, making sure that we use plus and minus 6. Up at the top, 6 squared is 36. 2 times 36 is 72. 72 plus 3 is 75. We know we did it right. Well, let's see if you can pause the video here and do these next 2 problems on your own. When you come back, we'll have them and show you how to solve them. See if you can solve these 2 on your own. Pause the video now and then come on back. Okay, first step. Hopefully you got these right. Let's check to see how we did. Let's get rid of this minus 7 by adding 7 to both sides. Those go away. We have 3x squared equals 7 plus 5 is 12. Got to get rid of this 3 times. So we are going to divide by 3. We get x squared equals 4. It's always nice, got the perfect square. We take the square root of both sides, which is x equals 2 plus or minus. Square root of 4 is 2. Hopefully you got that one right. Let's try the next one on this page. We have to get rid of this plus 4 first, so we're going to subtract 4. It's a big number over there, isn't it? Well, let's figure it out. 4 minus 4, left with 3x squared equals 436 minus 4 is 432. Still a big number. Okay, well, let's get rid of the times 3 by dividing. We're left with x squared equals, let's show it again. Look at this, doing some long division today. Divide by 3, we get 1, which leaves us with 1/13. 13. Bring our 3 down here. We can go into 13 6 times, which is 12. Oh, not 3 times. Sorry, I was doing 2. We can go into 13 4 times, which is 12. 4 times, which is 12. Not which is 1, bring down the 2, and again with our 4. And it's nice when that works out to be a perfect square, 144. And our last step is to take the square root of both sides. We're left with x equals the square root of 144. Well, let's just show it really quick here. Pop it up. Here's your calculator. I'll bring it over here. Sorry. It's out of my way. My camera's in the way. Come here. There we go. Square root of 144. If you don't remember how to do that. Oh, it just doesn't want to do this right now. There we go. Put it over here. We're going to turn our calculator on. We're going to do second square root of 144, which is 12. But remember, it's not just 12. It's positive or negative 12. And you're all done. That's it for page 2 of our notes. Come on back. We got one more page. Let me know if you have any questions below.